You have been cleaning your house incorrectly. Despite wanting to keep it clean, certain habits can make us sick. These are: 1. Unloading the toilet with the lid open spreads bacteria through the bathroom. Close the lid before doing so. 2. Although fixing the bed is good, the beds have mites. Leave the bed unattended for 30 minutes and open windows to eliminate mites with the sun. 3. Washing your hands after touching raw chicken spreads bacteria. Wear gloves and cook the chicken well to eliminate microorganisms. 4. Kitchen sponges accumulate bacteria. Although they seem clean, leave them in the sun after using them and change them every 14 days. 5. Do not mix chlorine with other cleaning products. They generate harmful gases that can damage breathing and eyesight. 6. After cleaning, use a fan to dry the floor and do not absorb chemical substances. Subscribe for more tips.